in this video, I'm looking at how to create lists in HTML, or how to create a list on your web page. So in this video, I'm looking at two kinds of lists: the unordered list and the ordered list. Right? So one list is unordered, the other is ordered. That means one has a sequence, the other is without a sequence. You get my point? So let's go to our subline. All right. So Control N for a new file. Let's save it. Control S or Command S to save. Alright, so then we'll title this list.html. Good. So definitely once you open your text editor, the first thing you come up with is your basic structure. Alright, so by now I'm sure everyone knows how to run this our basic structure. Alright. Good. So like I said, we're going to be looking at two kinds of lists in HTML: unordered and ordered lists. Unordered and ordered lists. So as the name implies, let's look at ordered lists. Like I said, ordered lists are lists that have sequence. Alright, there's a means, or let's use it when it has a sequence. There's a means of arrangement. Alright, good. So to create an ordered list, you need the OL tag. The OL tag is what you need to create an ordered list. So good, let's go ahead and use our OL tag. Open. So it has a close tag also. Open angle bracket / OL close. So this is what we need to create an ordered list. So before that, let's use our H1 tag first to describe what kind of list we are going to be putting. Let's say we're going to be saying let's say list of planets. A list of planets. Right. Good. So like I said, we're using the OL tag. So after creating your OL tag, open and close, inside of your OL tag, another tag comes in, which is the LI tag. So this LI is what holds each particular content on your list. Alright. So let's use the LI tag, open and close, open angle bracket, LI tag, open and close. So let's go and put in the list of planets. The first one should be Mercury. Yes. I think I still remember some of it. Now another LI tag, open and close, Venus. Alright. Another LI tag, open and close, Earth. Alright. The next one is Mars. Alright. Another one should be let's say Jupiter. Alright. What's the next one? I think Saturn. I don't know if I'm still getting the right order for it. Then there should be Neptune, right? Neptune. There's Pluto. Right, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means I'm missing one, but no problem. So I'm just trying to explain to you guys how ordered list works. So let's save this and open in our browser. Open in browser. Alright, so let's see how ordered list works. Good. So you could see there's a sequence. You could see it has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's a sequence for it. So that's the difference between ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list has a sequence. It's written down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, there's a sequence for that. So now let's look at unordered list. Now we're going to tell the difference between ordered and unordered. Good. So let's use our H1 tag again for this. And let's say let's call this classes of food. Classes of food. Alright. So for your unordered list, all you need is the UL tag. So you can see the difference between ordered and unordered is the opening tag, the parent tag. So for ordered list, you use the OL tag. For unordered list, you use the UL tag. So let's go ahead and open our UL tag, then close it. Exactly. Then let's say LI. Good. So we're looking at classes of food where we have carbohydrates. Alright. Let's do protein. Alright. vitamins, fats, and oil. What else? Water. Water is a class of food, right? Water. I think it's one more left. Mineral salt. Exactly. So let's save this and see what it looks like. So let's go back to our web page and reload it. Okay, so good, that's it. So you could tell. So you can see that the unordered list is in bullet points. There's no sequence, right? So you can see in bullet points, you can see carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, and everything we want down here. So that's the difference between ordered and unordered. Ordered list has a sequence, unordered does not have a sequence. You get my point? Then writing a different thing is that for ordered list, you start with the OL tag, while unordered, you start with the UL tag. So I hope you guys understood this video, understand how list works. Alright, so see you in the next video.